What is KeyHelp? It's simply a control panel that makes managing your Linux server easy. With KeyHelp, configuring your server becomes effortless, even without deep technical knowledge. You can manage an unlimited number of domains, set up email addresses, create FTP users, and manage databases, all from one intuitive interface. An API gives you flexible options to connect KeyHelp with other tools and automate your IT processes. And with the white label feature, you can customize the interface to match your own branding. Best of all, KeyHelp is free to use, with no license costs. For even more features, like a one-click installer, server migration and a dark mode, upgrade to KeyHelp Pro. See for yourself what KeyHelp can do. Try the live demo or install it directly on your server today.